Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine and are enjoying our online sessions. So now let's quickly start with our today's session.
Today, in this session, we are going to learn grammar, homophones. A homophone is a word that sounds the same as another word but has a different meaning and spelling. For example, GUESSED, guessed, means to think, and GUEST, guest, means the visitors. Number 2, GRATE, grate, means the cheese which you grate on sandwiches or pizzas. GREAT, great, means special, a special person. Number 3, FEAT, feat, means an act, action or move. FEET, feet, is the plural of foot. Let's learn homophones with a long E sound. The long E sound can be written as double E, as in SEEC, EA as in SEAC, IE as in achieve, or EI as in receive. Read these sentences. Number 1, I want to see the movie again. Number 2, my house faces the sea. Number 3, by hard work we can achieve anything. Number 4, did you receive my message? Okay everyone, I hope you all have understood homophones and long E sound well. So now let's move ahead and solve this exercise. Tick the correct word with the correct spelling. Number 1, Tom will MEAT meet or MEET meet you at the station? Answer, MEET meet. Number 2, please GRATE grate or GREAT grate the cheese on pizza? Answer, GRATE grate. Number 3, I am the captain of the SHEEP ship or SHIP ship? Answer, SHIP ship. Number 4, a BEEB or BEB flew out of the window. Answer, BEEB. Number 5, your FEAT feet or F-E-E-T feet are dirty? Answer: F-E-E-T feet. Okay everyone, I hope you all have understood this exercise well. So now let's read ahead. Picture description means how to describe a picture. Points to remember while describing a picture. Number 1, introduction means you can start the description by saying the picture shows, or it's a black and white or colored picture. Point number 2, what is where? Means you can write on the left there is, or on the left there are. Next, on the right there is or are. Next, at the top there is a roof or there are birds. Next, in the middle there is or are. Next, at the bottom we can see. Point number 3, who is doing what? Here you can describe the people in the picture, or you can say what is happening just now. Use the present tense. Point number 4, what I think about the picture means here you can write I like or don't like the picture because. Next, I think. Next, the atmosphere is, you can write boring or pleasant. Okay everyone, I hope you all have understood how to describe the picture. So now, let's describe this picture. Point number 1, there are 3 people cooking in the kitchen. Or you can write, the picture shows 3 young friends cooking together. Number 2, they are preparing pizza. Number 3, on the left, the girl is chopping mushrooms. Number 4, on the right, the boy is chopping tomatoes. Number 5, the girl in the middle is reading the recipe. Let's read ahead. Story writing. 7 tips to write a good picture story. Really? Come on. Let's discuss. Tip 1. Look at all the pictures and describe them exactly. You can say there is a ship on the ocean, there is a big fish in the ocean, the sailor needs help. Now, did you understand the story? Tip 2. Try to tell the gist, means plot of the story in 1 sentence. Let me see ship, ocean. Tip 3. Take notes on each picture. There is a ship on the ocean. Tip 4. Start telling the story picture by picture. Now you can start the introduction part by writing somewhere far, far away. Then comes the main part where you can write a big fish appears, and then comes the end part where you can write help from a lighthouse. Tip 5. Use literal speech, means the language exactly what is said, and active verbs. For example, he cried, I don't want to die. Tip 6. Look closely at the last picture. The plot is solved. Tension reduced. Tip 7. Finally, find a suitable title. Accident with happy end. Okay everyone. Now, summary, picture, story. Let's quickly understand all the points again. Number 1. View all pictures. Number 2. Understand the story. Number 3. Take notes on each picture. Number 4. Write introduction, main part and end. Number 5. Find a good title. Okay everyone, I hope you all have understood story writing well. So, we end our today's session over here. But before we end, I have a task for you all. Please complete the given task. Your task is write a description of the picture using the words given below. Now, here is the picture with the words given below. I hope you all will enjoy doing this. Okay everyone, meet you all in the next session. Till then, bye everyone.